Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by importing the camera files and the separate recorder files into Premiere Pro. This aligns assets so syncing can happen automatically. Once done, make sure sample rates match and clips are clearly labeled because Premiere matches waveforms, not file names. Next, select the video clip and its external audio in the project panel and right-click to create a sequence or add to a new timeline. This gives you a contained workspace to perform the actual sync. Now you perform the core sync using waveform alignment. Select the corresponding camera and recorder clips on the timeline or in the project panel, right-click and choose Synchronize, then pick Audio as the method and the channel S that contain the reference. Premiere analyzes waveforms and nudges clips to match peaks. This is faster and more precise than manual nudging. For multiple takes, use merge clips or select batches and synchronize together. Finish by confirming the synced result across several reference points, dialogue starts, clapper hits, or sharp transients, because one matched peak doesn't guarantee continuous sync. Once satisfied, mute or delete camera audio and label the external track as your master audio. If you find drift or a persistent offset, make sure sample rates match, rerun synchronize, or nudge the clip by small increments. Alternatively, resample the files externally and re-import. This single method workflow prevents double tracks and keeps your timeline clean.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.